Hey, Danky Techie Boy here, and today I am starting a new series, and it is JTAG tutorials, or RGH, whatever you want to call them. It's all RGHs now, isn't it? I don't know. I know that JTAGs probably still exist, but they're not as common as they once were. Anyway, the first thing you need to do is make sure you have a JTAG or RGH. Do that, you turn your Xbox off, you press the eject button, and you wait. No. If you see this coming up as you see XeL Reloaded, it means you're good to go and you have an RGH. Now, you need to get some sort of USB cable or USB drive or whatever. I am going to be using a SanDisk Z410 480 gigabyte SSD. I had it lying around. I know it sounds very pompous, but I don't use a desktop PC anymore, so it was just lying around. So why not use that? And you can use this, can be any kind of, it can be any kind of hard drive or anything. It's just as long as it's USB, and it should be enough. What you want to do is turn your system on. Plug your hard drive or USB key in, and the reason I'm using SSD other than it being install other than it being lying around, I am using it because it's faster. And when you get to the storage, go over to the storage systems and you'll see unformatted. Press Y, X, and configure. Yes. Now this will configure it to be able to use with the 360. But I think it means it's FAT32 and all that shit. I don't know what exact format. I don't need to know. I'll Google it when I need to know. I think it's FAT32's 360's thing. And this could take a minute or two. It depends on how quick your hard drive is and how big it is. If you're using a 4 gig, it would be much faster. But as you see, it's popped up as done. But I want more than my 380 gig or 32 gigs. So I'm just going to remove the Xbox 360 content from this device. You don't need to do this. I see now at 447. Now, I see that's all installed. And this won't show up like this. Well, actually, if this is all ready to go. Now what you want to do is hop over to your PC and plug your hard drive or USB cable in now and just wait. As you see, it popped up, and you will need my XeX Menu files, and what you're going to have to do here is click in here. If content's not showing up, you need to view hidden files. I don't know how to do it in different Windows, but this is Windows 10 or Windows 11. Go to options and view. And you scroll down to files and show hidden files in. Okay, and what you want to do is click in here. Now, if you don't know what you were doing, you were and followed the old tutorials, you would just transfer that over. It will not work. The Xbox will not read it like that. What you need to do now is actually create a new folder and name it 2 bits at 16 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and enter. Then you take the code 99 folder and copy it over. This could take a while or it might not, but considering this is an SSD, it's rapid. And then you disconnect that and you go back to your system. Yeah, plug it in and wait. Now, this really shouldn't take long. I see 4 gig USB storage, and you go in here, and you will now have a demo. What you want to do is copy or move it. I'll just copy it to the hard drive. Actually, I need to create a profile. I did not actually know I needed to create a profile. Okay, there one I'll do. No, I do not want to join Xbox Live. Copy. Didn't know how to log in. Did you want to do that? Over to the hard drive. Copy in progress. Yes, controller's a bit dodgy. I better try it another time. And just wait. Again, it'll be faster in some systems, not. And now you go into your hard drive and it's there. Disconnect your USB key just to make sure it's there. We have here, and then you want to go to games, and now you have XeX Menu. Now, if you don't have an RGH, it'll show this as well. I'll go show you some. If you don't have an RGH, it'll show this here file as corrupted. But concerns there. There's an RGH. It's working, and we now have it. It is that simple to do that. Now, that's the very start of what you need to do. A lot more to come from. So stay tuned for the next video, and I will be showing you how to install Dash Launch. I don't know if I'll be using Neighborhood or not. No, I probably won't use Neighborhood because I just don't want to bother mirrors. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Peace out and good luck.